Our chiropractic and physical therapy office helps people every day with neck pain. Mainly because we have a lot of people running around this world who tend to slouch, lean forward, overwork those neck muscles and joints because of their chronic poor posture. Think about holding a bowling ball here versus here. It's kind of what you're doing when you're slouching. You're taking that bowling ball from a very stable position and you're leaning it forward, making those muscles work harder. This is why people get that tightness in that neck and trap. Those shoulders start raising up and coming forward, is we're overworking a lot of muscles, producing pain and irritation in those muscles and tendons. We're putting the wrong kind of strain on joints, causing that joint irritation and locking those joints up. So treatments need to address the muscle component, loosening up the tight muscles, strengthening the weakened muscles, the ones that can't do their job when you're leaning forward. We're going to work on your posture, pull you back upright. Chiropractic's going to address the stuck joint component. We can use activator, a low force technique that nudges the joints. We can use drop table, another lower force technique that's pushing the joints past each other. We can do the manual manipulation, the cracking and popping that people think about, but any combination works. It's just getting those stuck joints moving. We can combine some advanced treatments like massage therapy or Graston Technique, where we're further breaking those tightness, muscle spasms, and adhesions in the muscles up. We can use cold laser to help decrease the inflammation and irritation, especially on people with those headaches and that tightness up in the top of the neck that happen with so many people who are slouching forward all day. So our chiropractic and physical therapy office is going to combine many treatments to address all of the concerns of those muscles, tendons, ligaments, and joints that we get from chronic neck pain from people who are slouching forward and rounding their shoulders throughout the entire course of the day.